Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the mysterious world of a small but fascinating creature, the marten. These elusive animals are members of the weasel family and are found in forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. While they may not be as famous as wolves or bears, martens play a vital role in the ecosystems they call home. So let's explore their appearance, behavior, diet, and why they're so important to nature. Martens belong to the genus Martes, which makes them close relatives of weasels, ferrets, and even wolverines. They're medium-sized carnivores with slender bodies, short legs, sharp claws, and a luxurious fur coat that has long been prized by humans. Depending on the species, martens range from about 18 to 25 inches in length, with bushy tails that can add another foot to their overall size. One of the most recognizable species is the Pine Marten, found across northern Europe, especially in Scotland and Scandinavia. In North America, the American marten, sometimes called the Pine Marten as well, is common in Canada and parts of the northern United States. Each species has slightly different features, but all share the same sleek, cat-like agility and predatory instincts. Martens are forest dwellers through and through. They prefer dense woodland habitats where trees provide shelter, hunting grounds, and safety from predators. These animals are excellent climbers, using their curved claws to scramble up trunks and leap between branches with surprising ease. In fact, martens spend a lot of their time in the trees hunting squirrels, birds, and even raiding nests for eggs. But don't let that fool you, they're just as comfortable on the forest floor. They patrol their territory, which can cover several square miles in search of food. They're mostly solitary, marking their home ranges with scent to warn off rivals. Martens are also crepuscular, meaning they're most active at dawn and dusk, times when prey is abundant and predators are less likely to spot them. Martens are opportunistic carnivores with a varied diet. Their sharp teeth and quick reflexes make them excellent hunters. Small mammals like voles, mice, and squirrels make up a large part of their meals. They'll also eat birds, insects, and carrion if the chance arises. Interestingly, martens are not strictly carnivorous. They'll happily consume fruits, berries, and nuts, especially in the summer and fall when plant foods are plentiful. This varied diet not only keeps them healthy, but also helps them play a role in seed dispersal, making them both predator and gardener of the forest. Their hunting style is fast and agile. They rely on stealth, creeping through underbrush or leaping from tree to tree before launching a sudden attack. Few small animals can escape once a marten has locked onto its target. Breeding season for martens usually occurs in late summer. However, they have a fascinating biological trick called delayed implantation. After mating, the fertilized egg doesn't immediately attach to the uterine wall. Instead, it remains dormant for several months. This adaptation ensures that kits, baby martens, are born in the spring, when food is abundant. A female marten gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 kits. They're born blind and helpless, relying completely on their mother for warmth and food. By the age of 3 months, they're already learning to hunt, and by autumn, they're ready to strike out on their own. Martens may be small, but their impact on forest ecosystems is huge. By hunting rodents and other small animals, they help keep populations in check, preventing outbreaks that could damage vegetation. Their consumption of berries also spreads seeds across wide areas, encouraging new plant growth. In short, martens act as both predators and stewards of the forest, keeping the natural balance intact. Unfortunately, martens face a number of threats. Habitat loss from deforestation is one of the biggest challenges. As woodlands shrink, martens lose the dense cover they need for survival. Historically, they were also heavily trapped for their fur, which was considered highly valuable. The good news is that conservation efforts are underway. In the UK, pine martens have been successfully reintroduced into areas where they once disappeared. In North America, many populations are stable, though they still require large, healthy forests to thrive. Protecting these habitats is key to ensuring martens remain a part of our natural world. The marten may not be the most famous forest animal, but it's one of the most fascinating. Agile, resourceful, and vital to the ecosystem, martens are a reminder of just how complex and interconnected nature really is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more wildlife content, and share this video with your friends who love nature. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wild.